I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here for my weekly reset. Today, I'm going to be focusing on my closet. I have so many pairs of pants, some shoes, and some other things. I'm ready to declutter today and get my closet organized and refreshed. I'm going to get started in my closet because I don't have a sentimental attachment to my clothing. I really like the things I have, but I find it easier to get rid of clothing than other things because I have a nice quantity of it. And I actually have more clothing than what I need, so I'm going to go through and start pulling things out that I know I don't need to keep. Here I have a sports bra and a t-shirt that I know I don't need to keep. This is my collection of sweaters. I had so many, and I've narrowed down to one shelf on this set of shelves here in my closet. And I had so many handbags, I've gotten rid of most of them, and this is just a small number that I have left over that I kept. Every time I declutter my closet, I always take out a sweater to donate. Today, I'm taking out this blue one, and I took out a tan one just a little while ago. This was my favorite sweater. I loved it. It's so comfortable, and I really enjoy wearing it. But it's just time to let it go. It has definitely seen better days and been washed so many times. So today I'm donating 2 sweaters, and I might come back and go through these again and see if I can pick out at least one more to donate this go around. On the first pass through my closet, I'm going to go through and just grab things that I know I can instantly pull out and get rid of. I have this pair of capri pants, and although they're very comfortable, they're just not very flattering. It's time for these to go as well. I have a pair of drawstring jeans here with elastic, and although they look cute from Old Navy, they just really are cut a little bit odd, and they don't look flattering at all. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be ruthless when I'm taking these things out of my closet to donate. I have some pants here that I go walking in and exercising. I have a couple pair of these, and they're faded and worn out. They've seen better days. I have this black shirt here, and the neck seems to fit really odd, so I'm going to donate this as well. Here's a pair of black leggings, and they're really cute. However, when I put them on, they don't look so cute. I'm going to go ahead and take all of these other hangers here out of our way. I have a couple of sweatpants here that I know I'm not going to keep. The bands at the bottom are just not comfortable. They are super tight on my ankle. They look like this, and that's just not comfortable at all. It's time for these to go. For now, I'm going to keep this 2 pair of blue knit pants. They're great to travel in. And I'm going to try on these pants and see what I think about them. I haven't worn these yet, but they've been hanging in my closet new. I've kept 2 pair of sweatpants for winter when it's cold. I can wear these around the house. And then I have this burgundy color pair of travel pants. And I'm going to come back and revisit all of these things. They might be going as well. I'm going to go through my jackets. I have a couple athletic jackets, a couple regular jackets, cotton jackets, and I have this jacket. It seems really nice and really cute, but I just don't know that I can stand this material. This material drives me crazy. I think I'm going to take this one out. I have this fleecy vest, and I've always really liked it, but I'm never ever wearing it. So let me take this, I'll try it on and make a decision. I actually really like it. It fits so nice and is so comfortable. I guess I just forgot that I had it with so many other excess things that are unnecessary in my closet. These are my travel pants, and this is a collection of pants I bought just for every day and to wear to church. They're all the same. I have a habit of buying everything that I like in all of the colors. I'm going to break that habit today. Here's another pair of leggings that I don't need. This is a nice pair of athletic pants that I bought to travel in, but the fabric is really odd and it's so noisy. I just can't stand to wear these. Then I just have some Christmas pants that I wear with a Christmas candy cane sweater, some white pants, and then my dresses. I've already narrowed my dresses down, and this is about 25% of the dresses that I have. And I'm going to keep these because they all fit and I really enjoy them. We have really taken a lot of things out of this section in my closet. Here I have some exercise pants that are like a capri style that are great for walking on really hot days in the desert. I'm going to go through these and look and see if any of these are worn out and need to be thrown away. This is where I keep my jeans, and I know I can take these 2 pairs of jeans out of my closet. I also have these pants that are knit and they're great for traveling or exercising, but I'm going to go through these and probably eliminate half of these. In just a couple of minutes, I have successfully cleared an entire shelf in my closet. Now I just have the blue jeans that fit really well here and that I really like wearing. They're so comfortable. And then over here, I just have my exercise pants that I go walking in. And I might even take out another pair or 2 of these. I really don't need that many. I wash them every day after I've exercised, so there's no reason keeping so many. And here in this little bin in the middle, I have some shoe bags that I use when I travel and some washable laundry bags. Sometimes in the middle of my decluttering, I go through and pack everything up so it doesn't seem overwhelming. I get it packed in the bags, and once they're loaded, I go back through my closet and just look and see if there's anything else I want to add. I almost always find something else to add when I go back through my closet. I went back through my closet and found a couple more pair of leggings and a pair of jeans to donate. I also found 3 pair of shoes to donate. Now I'm going to take a quick minute to go through my dresser and see if I have anything to donate. I'm sure I probably do. First we'll go through the bra drawer. After going through my dresser, I found several new bras to donate, and I found these cosmetic bags, and look how many pair. I found a dozen pair of pants to donate as well. I have 2 large bags here to take to the donation center, and I'm going to get these things put in a bag too. I'm all ready to go. I need to grab 1 more bag, put these in the cart, and we'll be on our way. I am so happy you're here. I'm really glad to get these things out of my closet and get them donated. It was really nice to have these dropped off, and now I'll have all of this space and organized and know exactly what I have in my closet. I really appreciate you, and I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to come back every week for my home reset. I'll see you next time.